Okay, so guys, you're welcome once again, and this is how to download WhatSaga. So this is how to download it. You go to your menu, then you tap on Play Store. Then now tap on the search app, then you search for WhatSaga. So then you search for it. So when you search for it, you're gonna find it over here. So this is it. So to install this, what you have to do is to tap over here. So tap on it. So after that, then you tap on install. Tap over here. So let's try to download it. So as you can see, it is downloading over here. So that's how. So boom, it's 100% and it's installing on our device. So let's wait. It's gonna finish right now. So boom, as you can see, we are done, and you can find open over here. So let's try to open it and see. So as you can see, welcome to WhatSaga. Post longer videos by automatic or auto splitting and save or share statuses by others. So after that, browse status. So you can also use it to save status, and also you say tap and hold to select. So thank you very much for watching this video. See my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video.